अरे क्या
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, please start the
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please start the class. Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, please
Ma'am, can you start the class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please start the class.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, please start the class. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
start the class, ma'am.
मैंने पिन कर दिया टीचर की
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
drawing, right?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see you. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Acha, okay, now. Good afternoon. Okay. Yes, students.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
इसमें मेरे पास वो iPad है, ड्रेस में रखा हुआ है. हाँ, भाइयों. पीछे की साइड है. Yes, good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn. Chalo, I'm giving you a hint. You just tell me what we are going to make today. We are going to make a person whose half body is of man and half body is of animal. And the one who we are going to learn today loves laddu a lot. Laddus, modak. Come on, tell me. And come on, tell me what we are going to learn today. Huh? One more hint. Okay, one more hint is he's having a very big tummy. Yes, absolutely right. We are going to learn Lord Ganesha today because on 23rd we have Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival when we just we start worshipping the images. A few for 7 days, many of you bring image or create image with clay and worship for 11 days. And so Lord Ganesha, we are going to learn today, okay? So for this, we are going to use our drawing file vertically in standing position, okay? Keep your drawing file in standing position. And see, this is center now. I will not take center. Just above, I will give complete view of my file. It will make you understand that how much big. Yes, okay. So this is center, but I will not take center. Here I will be making this much big line. Straight line. Lord Ganesha. You all know now, this time due to pandemic, that Sarvajanik Ganesh Jayanti is prohibited. Just to save to stop gathering and all. But we can create self-made image and worship at home. With clay, you can make image. Okay? Yes, a straight line. Now, these are 2 points. Take 2 points. See, this line is not very small. You can just see the proportion. See this line I have now? Equal to this line, space is left here. And equal to this line, this space is left here. It will give you perfect idea. Now, these are 2 last points. Draw 1. 1. 1 here. 1 here. I will see. देख लूंगी. Okay, 1. Today we will be learning Lord Ganesha in very, very simple way. Yeah, you can message me. If you want to ask something, Rene, you can message me, okay? Now take last point. Again, after writing 1, take last point. 2 points. Okay? Now this point, all of you do. Avoid using scale. Yeah, it's full screen. See, this is the line. See, I've taken a view of full screen so that you can see the proportion. Okay, I will zoom it. थोड़ा सा zoom it करना है. थोड़ा सा. Yes. Okay. Now, I will take the center point here. And from this point, it is a V. V. Keep the steps, because today you are not only learning the drawing of Lord Ganesha, but at the same time you are learning a festival also. In many schools and in many competitions, the topic is given festival. So you are learning festival Ganesh Chaturthi also. Okay? And as I told you in drawing of Krishna, that when we make any drawing of God or goddess, we get heart-to-heart bonding with that image, with that photograph. Draw V. Okay? Don't make it very deep. If you will make it very deep, na, like this, it will not look good. It is wrong. It should be blunt. This way. Okay? Now, first, have you done? Show thumbs up. And if not done, show thumbs down. Okay, fine. Okay. Take. Now, this center point we have now, just near this here. Take a point near here. And this side also same distance here. Take a point. See, when I said we are going to make Lord Ganesha, you must be thinking, my God, Lord Ganesha is very difficult drawing. But you will see, using letters and numbers, we will make the drawing. And it is that simple. Okay? Yes. Leave some space here and take a point. This side, take a point. Now take your eraser. Pick up your eraser and erase this center point, center V. Till the points we took. We took a point here. We took a point here. The middle lines you erase. Okay? And erase this line. and draw a big line and slightly small line. We will complete trunk afterwards. A small and a big line. Come on. A big and small. Okay? Yeah. Renee, if you want to. Vihan, what kind of messages you are doing? Stop sending this kind of messages. Okay, otherwise we will remove you from class. Okay, a big line, a small line. You are learning a festival and the God which you can worship on coming Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay? See, teaching all these drawings are actually small efforts to make you understand, and so that we can just make you connected. Yeah. To the festivals and the rituals, the cultures. Okay? You will just leave trunk here. Now, here, these 2 points I have now. I will write, first you see. See, this is equal. Here. C for cat. And take a point in straight line. See, this is straight line. Here you are supposed to write C. And same distance you will be taking here. And you will be writing C. Okay? Then you will erase this line. Okay, this is just C, equal size. C of equal size. Yes. And now erase this line. Erase this line. Now I will be writing one more C, that is reverse. Again a small C. And same this side, small C. It is looking like S. I know it's looking like S now. Same here, big C, then small c. And now this point I have now. Draw a sleeping line from this point. And same big, same sized sleeping line here. You'll take last point also. Yes, it's looking like a trophy, but it is not trophy. We are going to make. Now this point and this point join. Okay. This point and this point join. You will see making Lord Ganesha is so simple. And you all must be knowing about Lord Ganesha. While doing coloring, I will tell you the story. It's very interesting. Okay, I'm repeating from here till here C. Then one more small C going upwards. From this point, a straight line. Then I will join. Okay? Yes. Want to see the work? Please show. All of you. Show your work. How much big you have. Yes. Very good. Shabash, it's perfect. Shabash, you all are doing so well. Very good. Doing correctly. Absolutely right. Yeah, okay, fine. I will repeat right from the beginning so that it will be a revision, and you all have done it very nicely. Shabash. Okay? I will repeat full so that it will be a revision. What I did, I will take a paper and I will show it here. Yes, I will be showing it here. What I did, I made a line, then 2 lines. Now take a center point and V. Then I took 2 points. I erased extra middle lines, a big line and a small line. I leave it here. From this point, I draw a C, then again a small C, again a small C, a line, and I joined. Only this much I have done. Okay? This is the revision which I made here. Now, 1, 2, 3, sleeping 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sleeping lines. To show the detailing. Drawing के वक्त ना divert हो जाते हैं. I will tell you the story. First we'll complete. Okay? There is a very interesting story. You must be wondering na, कि Lord Ganesha's head is of elephant, body is of man. How? There is a big story behind this. I will tell you afterwards. Okay? So that you will get that how it happened. Now see this line we have now. Over this, make line smaller than this. A line which is smaller than this. One more. And one more. You can see these are gradually small. See, this big, then in center, smaller than this, in center, smaller than this, and then again the smallest, 3 lines. Now, yes, make lines. Show thumbs up if done. Thumbs up with smile. Yes, big smile. Brush kiya na subah? Yes. Good. See, now, what will be joining this point and this point? We will be joining with curved line. Join with curved line. And this point and this point join with curved line. Okay? Lord Ganesha is a god we worship before starting any new work. Because when we take blessings of Lord Ganesha, na, we get success in all our new projects. So we worship Lord Ganesha before doing any new work. Now take 2 points. On the second point, Huh. Hendrik and Denzel, show work. Show your work. Very good. Very good. You show, Denzel and Hendrik. Continue. Okay, good. Now the second point we have now, I will be joining again with curved line. And I will take last point here. We will keep joining. Okay? Yes, join it with curved line. And now the last. See, this also I will be joining in curved line. These are three. If done, please show your thumbs up as soon as you finish. And those who want me to wait for them, please show thumbs down. Okay. Yes. Now I will write C. C for cat. Here in center. Write C. C for cat. In center we will write. Okay. In center of this line. C for cat. Draw C for cat. Yes. Okay. Very nicely. No need to hurry. And take 2 points. These are 2 points of C. Okay. See, many competitions, online competitions, colony level competitions, they conduct on Ganesh Chaturthi, and topic is Ganesh Chaturthi. So now we are prepared to participate in online competitions during Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, now see, these 2 points I have now. In center of this, I will be taking a point. In center. In center, I will be taking a point and I will write reverse V. Okay, V को उल्टा लिखना है. C. Right, C. Okay, now I will write V. V for van. But V is reverse. Join. Okay, come on. C and then V. You will see the magic. We will be using letters and numbers and your drawing will be ready. Yeah. Yes. Done? Have you done with? Okay. Now take these 2 points we have now. These 2 points. Near this, take one more point. Near this, here and one here. Okay, we will be taking one more point. Yes, and now we will be using letter J. J for jug. Okay, J for jug. Come on, right? J for jug. And from here also, join. J for jug. Join a tusk of Lord Ganesha. And see, one tusk of Lord Ganesha is broken. Many says that it broke down when Lord Ganesha was fighting with devils. And few are saying that for writing literature and for using the tusk as pen, Ganesha took his own tusk. So here we will be writing one only, one. Small one, one. And join. It's broken. Okay, one tusk is broken. Yes. 2 lines. Two sleeping lines. And here, take a point here, take a point here in the center. Yes. Done? Show thumbs up. Rachel, use eraser. Don't you rub it with finger. Yes. Now from here. Okay. From here, show thumbs up if done. Show thumbs up. If done this much. Okay. Now I will be using letter C. C. It's looking like capital D now. Okay, it's looking like capital D. Right? Yes. It's capital D. You must be observing we are till now we are using letters, numbers. Only this. Okay? One more line. One more small line. Small line. And now make eyebrows. See again. Okay, this is a small flat C to show eyelid. And this is big C for showing eyebrows. And here I will be writing U. U. It's not exactly U, it's round U. Not long U, it's round U. Round U. Eyes. Don't forget to make inside circle also. One circle inside. Okay. Yes. Make it carefully now. Yes. Now make done. Yeah. Do it first. And as soon as you finish, you show your thumbs up. I will get it. That's great. I will be making 2 lines in center. 1, 2. In between of eyes. On forehead. 2 lines. U in center. And a small O. Okay. See, the face of Lord Ganesha is ready. Now we want to make complete body of Lord Ganesha. So for that, what we'll be doing? From here. From here, come slanting. From here, come slanting. A small slanting line. This ways. Now show a curve. After making slanting lines, show a curve. Okay, this is the last point. What I did, I made slanting line first. Small slanting line, not big, huh? And curve. Take 2 points. Yes. Now leave some space, this much space, and take a line. Small space. And draw one line. And here also, take some small space and draw one line. Yes, done? Now the center, see, where the bindi is here now, just in center, take a point. In center of bindi, take a point. And this line which we have now, I will be writing V. V. V is slightly curved. It's V. And this is line now, which I took from last point of it, I'm writing V. This is V. Show. I want to see work first. All of you show. Class, show your work. Close to camera. हाँ, ठीक है. Shabash. Yes, it's perfect. Good. Good. Say this V should be perfect, okay? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Shabash, very good. Very well done. Now, this point we have now, from here we will be writing small v. V again, ulta V. Like mountain, small v. Okay, and this is the last point of V. Take last point of V. Have you done? Show thumbs up if done. Thumbs up if you have done this much. Okay. So show thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Okay. Now what we'll be doing, I will writing U. Now listen carefully because we are going to make that sitting posture of Lord Ganesha. Now I will use letter U. And now see how to write letter U. U for umbrella. See this point I have now. This line I will be using. And I will give a curve of U and join. Okay. This is U, join. Come on. Do with me carefully. Do it carefully, okay? Don't do it in a hurry. Because this is the most important step of our drawing. U. And see, the shape should be same. Try to maintain the shape. The shape of both you should be same. See, it is V, then again a V. If we see carefully, it is looking like a cross. And then I use letter U. U. Okay? Yes. It is U. Very carefully see my shape. Look at the drawing of mine. Okay, and this ways you try to make. Yes. This ways. You can see the picture. It should look like this. Okay? Yes. Now let's complete legs. For that, this line we have now smaller than this. Smaller than this. And show round. This is toe. And these are fingers. 2, 3, 4 fingers. Join. Toe and fingers. A big circle to show toe and small 4 circles for showing fingers. Suppose this is my hand. If I will show my hand, you can see in camera. If I will keep my hand like this, you will be able to see the tips. And the tip is looking like circle. Like this is glass. If I will hold it like this, you can see the tip only. That is circle. This is a bottle. If I will show like this, you will see the tip only. Same ways, leg is made. Only tip. Okay? Yeah. Now this line we have now. Under this, make one more line. Just near this. And this same ways, O and small fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And see, last finger we have now. See this last finger we have now. You join. Join. Last finger you join. Okay? Yes. Keep doing. This is the very important part. Although it is not difficult. I just took a line and take a point. First, I just took distance on both the sides. Then I just draw V. And then one more V here. I took last point and then connect with help of U. It's that simple. And then I took one more line. Big circle, then small. Big circle, then small. And join. The last circle I join. Now here, I want to show the favorite of Lord Ganesha, laddus. Okay? So, I will be showing a big laddu. I will do one thing, I will directly make laddu. Show laddu. And I just want to show, suppose this is laddu and Lord Ganesha is holding like this. So, I will be showing fingers, these fingers. Okay? Draw a laddu in center of this. And show fingers. Circle. This point and this point you will join with a big laddu. Now, draw a C. Draw a C and 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. U, 4 times. Okay. And I will be showing a kada. Lord Ganesha is wearing a kadana. I will just make a line and join. These are fingers in holding big laddu. Yes. All of you do. Four times U and then straight line. This is straight line under U and join. Okay. Now I want to show that Lord Ganesha want to eat laddu. I will do one thing. I will make the lines of the trunk little small. थोड़ी सी erase कर दो line और ये middle line भी erase कर दो, which I made for making this sitting posture. These lines make it little small और यहाँ से see. All of you see? From here, I will be writing J. This is coming right now. A curved line and touch laddu. Touch laddu. Come on, do. It is S, kind of S. This is line we have already. You will just go slanting and touch laddu. Lord Ganesha want to eat laddu. This we want to show. Okay. Yes. Now this is the trunk now. Near this take a point. Near trunk. This is last point of trunk. Near that take a point. Take a point near this. Now, and this is also one point. Now this point and this point I will join. Same ways. Using the same shape. Join. Join it. I will make it a little more dark. Because of this only, we left our trunk incomplete. So because we want to get it connected to laddu. Okay. Now these 2 points we have. Come on, do. Make trunk carefully. Make trunk carefully. Vidita Patil, you are doing. Show your work. Vidita. Show beta. Arey wow, very good. Take it. Shabash. You all have done it so well. Ganesha will be very happy that so many kids prepared their picture of Lord Ganesha. Very good. Shabash, beta. Shabash. Now, we will be completing. Now, these 2 points we have, na, write V. V and join. V and join. And you know what? Lord Ganesha is having a Trishul sign. If you will see image of Lord Ganesha carefully, na, you will find a natural Trishul sign over trunk. So how to make the Trishul sign? Here. In center, na, here. You write a U. Draw a U. This Trishul sign we will make this way. U. And now draw 2 circles. Draw U first. Now I will be making 2 circles. 2 circles on both the sides. This is center point. This is center line. Draw a 1. It is cutting this U and coming out. This is Trishul sign. Okay. And 2 small circles. 2 small circles. Then lines, gradually your line will become small. See, the line is gradually becoming small. Small. You must be watching using letters and numbers. See, Lord Ganesha is about to get ready. Okay? Done? If done, show thumbs up. If done. Okay, okay. I can see many students are showing thumbs down. They want little more time. I will give them. Okay? Yes. Now the hand which is giving blessings. So first you will be showing line here. Come on, draw a line. And one more line. 2 sleeping lines. It's looking like sleeping 11. Okay? As we made here now. That way is only we will be making here. Join. Join. Yes. Now from here to here, I will be making a U shape. Draw a U shape. Take a small point here. Small point here. Small slanting line. And join. Okay. Now I will be making lines. 1, 2. These are fingers. And this line which I made, this is thumb. I will erase this line. Yes. This line you will erase. Okay. This is hand like this. Lord Ganesha is sitting and giving us blessings. You can make a Om. Om is written. If you don't know how to write Om, you can make a swastik. Otherwise, just make a round as if Lord Ganesha is giving blessings. This is hand giving blessings like this. And here this is Laddu. Okay. Make hand is very simple. It's a U. In U, you are supposed to make 4 lines to show fingers. And once U outside to show toe. Sorry, thumb. Okay, now from here. From here, draw a U. And from here, you will be connecting it here. A big U. If the line is coming on trunk, let it come.
Ma'am, can you tell story?
Yeah. See, as we are learning drawing now, that's why I'm not telling you story. This is a big U. Now take eraser and erase the line from trunk. See, I will tell you story when we will be doing coloring. This time we are supposed to be focused for drawing, hai na? These are small, small steps. So story will lose its flow. I will keep guiding and instructing, है ना? तो मजा नहीं आएगा story सुनने में. Erase line from trunk. The line of U, erase from trunk. And now I want my Lord Ganesha wearing a string. So I will be showing circle. This is string. If you want to make floral, You can make small flowers also at place of circle. Now see, in center, I will put a big string. Big pearl. Keep making round. And this is a string of pearls Lord Ganesha is wearing. Okay. Lord Ganesha also wear jewelry. I want to check now, all of yours, how you are doing, how the work is going. See, the Lord Ganesha's drawing is finished, but our drawing is incomplete because Mushak Raj, that is, you know, who is the one whom Lord Ganesha write? Yes, Mushak Raj. Show your work. I want to see your Ganesha. All of you. Hargun Kaur, show your work. Close to camera. Come close to camera. Very good. Good efforts. Shabash. Very good. Keep showing, all of you show. Anaya Veg, you are not showing, beta. Meha, show work. Show how much is done. Navishka. Bahut badhiya. Excellent. Now see the magic. You must be thinking, ki, my God, making Lord Ganesha is so tricky. You can see drawings of each other on your screen. Dhara, beta, don't do directly with sketch pen. Okay, Dhara, you have done it very beautifully. Listen, Dhara. Dhara, you have done very nice work. But you are not supposed to do it with sketch pen. Okay, make it with pencil first and then move your sketch pen. Okay? Very well done. Good. Shabash. You all are amazing, really. Chalo, without delay, let's learn Mushak Raj also. Both of you show, Henrik and Denzel. Dikhao zara. Show your work. And both of you show. Ulta hai, सीधा करो. Yes. And why both of you keep fighting? Henrik and Denzel. Be friends. Come on, shake hands. Both of you. Both of you shake hands. Be friends, okay? From today onwards, you're friends. Good. Chalo, let's continue. Take a point here. Same way here. And I want to make a wooden plank on which Lord Ganesha is sitting. See, using few numbers and few letters, we completed our Lord Ganesha. Just make this kind of rectangle plank on which Lord Ganesha is sitting. I don't know. Okay. Now I will be making Mushak Raj. Mushak Raj, you know? Mushak Raj, it means what? Tell me. Mushak, it means mouse. Lord Ganesha selected mouse. That I will ride you. Okay? So chalo, let's make a very naughty Mushak Raj standing here. Come on. Show us. See. Priyashi. Good. Show your work. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, now here. It's a C and one more C. Parashi. Okay, now Yes, Parashi, you are also really doing well. Good. Keep it up, huh? Yes, now here we are going to draw a C. देख ले हाँ ठीक है mom तो फिर I get kept quiet. Yes, now here I will be writing 2. Now here I will be making this kind of C and 2. See, this is 2. Write 2. And this line, make one more line here. Make one more line and make it big till it join here. See, this is 2. I just made one more line and join this point. And I will be writing small 2 here. At the place of writing 2, let's make hands simply. This is 2 lines and join. You can just make tummy big. You can just join it like this. Okay? And folding hands. Mushak Raj is also folding hands. Just make one more line coming from back side. ठीक है एक लाइन और बना देनी है. Zoom in कर सकते हैं क्या इसको? I will zoom in. Okay? As it is very small now, so you will be able to see. यही आ जाता है बार-बार. Okay? See, I'm repeating. I just draw a C, then a big C, then this is 2. Then I made one more line, make it big and connect. Then this is 2 sleeping lines and a circle. I made one more line that is looking like both the hands. And here I will be writing C and C, join. This way is a circle, smile, and W to show ears, eyes. Lord, this is Mushak Raj. You can show 3 lines here, 3 lines here. Or otherwise erase this line because this line is looking very untidy. It is making this face very congested. To miss this line, only these 3 lines you make. Okay, don't make lines of this side. At the place of line, just make dots. If you want, otherwise don't make dot also. It's again making the face very calm. Okay. And here, I will be making a big J. J. And see, here, yes, it is a J for jug. And here he is shaking tail and ringing bell. U. U, join. Small c. And just show that it, in tail, he hang a small bell and when he just shake tail, na, this bell is ringing. Folding hands and Mushak Raj is ready. And here I will be showing two lines. A big and a small. join. Lots of laddus. These are soft, wonderful, mouth-watering motichur ke laddus. How many of you like? Raise hands. How many of you like bundi ke laddu? Yes, we all are fond of. And modak. And Lord Ganesha loves modak also. Yes, so I will be making laddus. See, this two laddus. See, this laddu's center point and this laddu's center point. You will be joining. Okay? Now this and this, you will be joining. Okay? This ways, you will be taking center point of each laddu and then join. Center point. Okay? And I will show a diya. First, make laddus. Make laddus. And don't forget to show diya. Small diya. Okay? A big line again. A small line. Come on. A big and small. Join. And show diya. And Lord Ganesha. In front of Lord Ganesha, we put diya na. Okay. Good. Don't forget to make a line and complete. I will give a complete view. Complete view. Okay, don't forget to show flowers. Now, how to show flowers? Flowers are showering. So in backside, I will be making few flowers. Okay, you can make few flowers. Behind, some here, some there. Make flowers very neat and beautifully, okay? No need to make flowers in a hurry. Yes. And you all must be amazed. See your Lord Ganesha. When I will ask you to show your Ganesha, you can see work of each other using numbers and letters. You made complete drawing of Lord Ganesha. Okay? And the story, I'm promising you, I will tell you next time. Very interesting and wonderful stories with lots of moral values are there. Many of you must be knowing also, but still I will tell so that you will get that how Lord Ganesha found this very special head of elephant. Yeah. And we will be making some designs here. Some decoration. One more time. Three times U. Like kind of decoration. And your Lord Ganesha is ready. Yes. Tell me, show the work. I just want to see the work. All of you show. Because today you learn a lovely, and you all look at work of each other. How all your friends are making. We'll see and get motivated. Please show. Acha, all are busy doing. ठीक है. Very good. Many of you have completed and they are showing.
Deepa has given complete story.
Wow. It's amazing. Those who have done and they are showing, the work is truly outstanding. Wonderful. Kya baat hai. Lovely. And see, when we use few letters and just make any drawing with perfect method, it is not at all difficult. You all will be provided with recording, okay? So please go through recording. Revision is also very important. And if you find little time, then practice it once again. Then what will happen? What step, what letter after what we are making, we're supposed to make, it will get fixed, because this is not only the drawing of Lord Ganesha, but at the same time you learn a drawing of Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay? Beautiful work. Lovely. Okay? Students are still doing. With this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, students.